Good morning everyone. Let us review in the previous class. In the previous class we have learned about the area of the polygons. We have learned the area of the rhombus, area of the trapezium, area of the quadrilateral. What is the definition of area of the quadrilateral? The closed figure, is it? The closed figure bounded by the 4-line segment. Okay. And then area of the quadrilateral. What is the formula for the area of the quadrilateral? Half into diagonal into height. The sum of the height h1 into h1 plus h2. Sum of the heights. So the formula half into d into h1 plus h2 square unit. Okay. And next one, area of the rhombus. Area of the rhombus half into product of the diagonals d1 into d2 square unit. Sometimes the sides is given and the one diagonal is given, we have using the sides formula. What is that? The side of the rhombus is equal to half into square root of d1 square plus d2 square units. Okay. And then next one, area of the trapezium. Area of the trapezium half into height into, is it? Area of the trapezium half into height into which one? Parallel sides. A plus B, sum of the parallel sides into square unit. So half into height into d A plus B the whole, A plus B the square unit. A plus B into square units. Okay. I hope you have understood that concept and examples. Today we are going to do the remaining examples and exercise problems. Okay. So example 6. Find the area of the trapezium whose parallel sides are 25 cm and 13 cm and non-parallel sides are equal. So it's isosceles trapezium. Non-parallel sides are equal means it's given trapezium is isosceles trapezium. Each being 10 cm. So each being the isosceles trapezium's length is given. Okay. So the diagram each sides are 10 centimeter. And then the whose parallel sides? These are all the parallel sides. 25 centimeter and here 13. Okay, ma? Right. This is a height. You know that? This is height. Right. Okay. So first write the given solution. Given. What are the data are given here? So here we have consider A, B. A, B, C, this one is D. DP and PQ. Right. It's 90 degree. Right angle, triangle. Right. Now the distance we have considered be X. These are all parallel. So if this one is 13 centimeter, here also 13 centimeter. Right. So given AB is equal to 25 centimeter. And then DC 13 centimeter and PQ also equal, is it? And next one, AD. AD is equal to 10 centimeter. At the same time, CB also 10 centimeter. Okay, right. Let X be the, we have considered the height of the trapezium. Let X be the length of AP. நான் இந்த APங்கிறத Xன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறேன். Okay. And PD is the height of the, let H be the height. Height of the trapezium. Okay, height centimeter. Okay, right. And then what we find out? Find the area of the trapezium. Find the area of the trapezium. What is the formula for the area of the trapezium? Is equal to half into height, is it? Height into A plus B. Square units. Okay, so this is the trapezium base. This is A. A is equal to 25 centimeter. So B is also 13 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find out the value of height only. So how can you find out the value of height? These two heights are same distance. Same distance. Okay, so first we have using the Pythagoras statement. Okay, find out these values. Okay, now we have considered the triangle. Okay, 10 square x h. In triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, in a right angle triangle, APD. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. By using Pythagoras statement. Okay, so hypotenuse side, what is that? AD square is equal to AP square plus BD square. AD square value was 100. Okay, square பண்ணிட்டேன். And AP, so x squared plus BD square value is h squared. Okay, so we need the value of h square, so move to the side. 100 minus x squared is equal to h squared. It is denoted by equation number 1. Okay, and next one, now we have compared this side. Okay, you know the value of x here 13, but we didn't know this value of QB. How can you find out the QB? You know the total length. Okay, so total length, what is that? AB minus, and the total length la in the distance நம்ம subtract பண்ணிரலாம். Is it? So what is that? AQ. Subtract the AQ value. So AB value is 25 centimeter. AB value is 25 centimeter. AQ, what is that value? X. X plus 13. Okay, x plus 13. Is it? Sum of these two values. AQ value is, what is the value of AQ? The sum of the value AP plus PQ. Okay, so AP value is x plus 13. Now substitute here 25 minus x minus 13. What we get? 25 minus 13 is 12. 12 minus x centimeter. So what is the value of QB? QB is equal to 12 minus x centimeter. Okay, 12 minus x centimeter. Do you understand this part? Okay. Why do you find out this? I have find out the value of h. So in this side we have considered bx. So we have using this three values by using Pythagoras statement. We have calculated the one value of the height x. H square is equal to 10 minus 100 minus x square. Okay. Now compare this side. We need the value of the base QB. Okay. So how can you find out the QB? You know the whole value. Subtract this value, we get this portion. Okay. So we have write like that. Okay. இது எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் தான் இங்கே பண்ணியிருக்கேன். ஓகேவா? அது புரியாது உங்களுக்கு, அது புரிகிறதுக்காண்டி நீ நாட் டு ரைட் இன் திஸ் பிளேஸ். ஓகே, ரைட். Now we have calculate by using the Pythagoras statement. Okay, in a triangle, in a right angle triangle, what is that? CQB. CQB. Okay, by using Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in a Pythagoras theorem we have write the hypotenuse side is 100. So we will write on most of BC squared is equal to the height, so QC squared plus QB square. QC value was h square plus QB squared value was 12 minus x the whole square. 12 minus x the whole square. So it's square it 100 h squared plus, so a minus b the whole square, so 144, okay, plus x square minus 2ab, so 2 12s are 24 x. Okay, that's it. Now all the terms move to here. Okay, all the terms move to this place. What we get? 100 minus 144 minus x squared plus 224 x is equal to h square. It is denoted the equation number 2. It is denoted the equation number 2. Subtract, we get minus 44 like that. Okay. Minus 44 minus x squared plus 24x equal to h squared. Okay. So now equating these two equation. Okay. This is equation 2. Okay, so equation 1 and 2 we have compare, equate. So h square value is here 100 minus x square, here minus 44 minus x square plus 24x. So this term will be cancelled. Okay, and what are the remains? Minus 44. So come to this side. 144 is equal to 24x. 24x. Right. It cancel in 2 table. 12, 72, 12 6 are 72. So x is equal to 6. So x value is 6. Okay, so here 12 minus x, so 12 minus x is here also 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. So QB value is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, x value is 6. Okay, now we have find out the value of h. Okay, So you know this two side using the Pythagoras statement. Okay, so what is that? What is Pythagoras statement here? 100 from 1. Okay, from 1, 100 square minus x squared is equal to h squared is there. Is it equation number 1? Is it? So 100 minus x squared value is, so 100 minus 36 equal to h squared. So subtract 64 is equal to h squared. So h is equal to 8 centimeter. H is equal to 8 centimeter. So height of the trapezium is 8 centimeter. Now substitute the value in this formula. Area of the trapezium. So half into h value is 8 centimeter into a value was 25 and b value was 13 centimeter square. It will be cancelled in two tables. So 4 into, here sum of this value was 38. Multiply these values. 32, 12, 15. So area of the trapezium is equal to 152 centimeters square. Okay, that's it. So very important. The same model in your exercise problem, do this method. Okay, the 7th one of the problem in exercise, the same method is given. You have to do. If you have any doubt, you should ask. Very important. Okay, right. Example 7. Find the area of the trapezium ABCD where AB and CD are parallel. AB is equal to 35 cm and CD is equal to 20 cm and BC is equal to 14 cm and AD is equal to 13 cm. So one of the trapezium is given. Okay, so ABCD. Okay, now write the example 7. What are the data are given? Draw the trapezium ABCD where AB and BC are AB and CD are parallel. AB is equal to 35 centimeter and CD is equal to 20 centimeter and BC is equal to 14 centimeter and AD is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector of the trapezium. Okay, so parallel AB and CD are parallel. Okay, the first condition. After I draw one of the line. Okay, ஒரு line draw பண்ணிருக்கேன் from the vertex C to the AB. Okay, it is denoted by E. Okay, and then draw the parallel line. இதுக்கு நான் என்ன செய்றேன், parallel வரையறேன். It is denoted by F. So first what we do, draw a perpendicular. Okay, from C to AB. Okay, and then a line parallel to AD. AD के parallel line வரையறேன். சரியா? So a line parallel to AD from a point C. அதே C ல இருந்து தான் திரும்பவும் என்ன செஞ்சிருக்கேமா வரைஞ்சிருக்கேன். Intersecting AB at F. Okay. So what are you doing here? First we have write the given data. After write we have draw one of the perpendicular line from C. After we have draw the parallel line to the AD. Okay, it's denoted by E and F respectively. Okay, right. So first we have write the values. So A, B, the whole part of value was 35. Is it? The whole part of value was 35. And CD value was 20 centimeter. So this is 20 centimeter. Na AF எப்படி தான் இருக்குமா 20 centimeter தான் இருக்கும் because it's a parallelogram. AFCD is one of the parallelogram. We have considered this FCB is one of the triangle. Okay, right. So opposite sides are parallel and equal. And next one, BC is 14 centimeter. BC is 14 centimeter. Okay, and AD is 13 centimeter. So these two sides are parallel. Okay, so this also 13 centimeter. You know that the formula for area of the parallelogram. I said, what is that? Base into height. Okay, parallelogram formula base into height. Right, we have used that formula. Okay, here base is 20. So now we have to find out the height. We have to find out the height. What is that formula? Here this is a height, is it? The parallelogram height is it? So this height and these two heights are equal because the whole shape you have considered to be trapezium. Okay, so the height of the triangle and the height of the parallelogram are equal. Okay, so first we have using these three statements. Here what are the values we know? Here we have find out the two types of shapes. One is parallelogram. Okay, now parallelogram AFCD parallelogram. Okay, parallelogram. And next one of that FCB is a triangle. Okay, FCB is a triangle. Okay, so these two we have identified. Okay, from this data these two sides are equal. We need this value. How can you find out? You know that whole value. AB value you know and AF value also know. So subtract from this value we get the value of FB. Okay, so using AB is equal to, we need the value of FB. So I have write FB is equal to the whole value AB minus AF. So AB value is 35 minus 20 equal to 15 centimeter. So this value 15 centimeter. Okay, FB value was 15 centimeter. Now we know that value of three sides of the triangle. But you know the formula only area of the triangle half into base into height. But here base didn't know. Sorry, height didn't know. So we have used the one formula for the triangle. Sides of the triangle. Sides of the triangle is equal to S. Okay, S is equal to half into three sides. What are the sides? 1, 2, 3 sides. Okay, so side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3 square unit. Let's unit. Okay, so you have calculate the side. Okay, side how can you calculate? Half put இது எல்லாத்தையும் என்ன செய்யணும்? Sum of the three sides. Half into sum of half into sum of three sides. Okay, so here half into sum of three sides. What are the S1 15 plus 14 plus 13, okay, centimeter. So half into add 7 12 3 4, so it will be cancelled. 21 centimeter. So side of the triangle is 21. Now we have calculate the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle half into base into height, but here only we know that side. So we here use one of the formula, the square root of sides are given. We have used this formula ma. S into S minus S minus A and S minus B and S minus C. So இதை கூட நீங்கள் ஏபிசின்னு எழுதிக்கோங்க, உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சுக்கும். So ABC means the side 1 2 3. Okay, இது A B C. S1 S2 போட்டுக்கலாம். இதில் ஃபார்முலாவில் S இருக்கிறதுனால நான் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். சரியாம்மா? So square root of the side, already we have find the side value 21. Okay, so substitute in this place. S value was 21, so 21 into 21 minus A value was 15. Okay, and then 21 minus B value was 14 and 21 minus C value was 13. Okay, so 21 into 7 into 21 minus 6 into right here ma. Okay, square root of 21. Okay, and 21 minus 15, 6, and then 6 into 7 into 8. Now multiply these values, we get the square root of 42, 21, 2, 4, 4, 8. And then 8, 2 are 16, 64, 65, 64, 7056. Okay, so square root of this value is 84 centimeter square. So area of the triangle is 84 centimeter square. Now we have find out the area of the triangle we have calculated. Now we have find out the area of the parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram formula, base into height. Okay, so area of the This is another one of the important problem. So formula base into height. So base value is 20 centimeter, is it? 20. Okay, and then height or did you know that? Okay, so from this formula, area of the triangle. Okay, what is the formula? Area of the triangle. Area of the triangle is equal to 84 centimeter. We have found, is it? So area of the triangle half into base into height is equal to 84 centimeters square. Now we have find out the height from this formula. The base is, what is the base value here? 15, is it? Area of the triangle, the base value was 15. So 15 into h is equal to 84 centimeter square. Okay, now move to that side. H is equal to 68 by 15 centimeter. Okay, done. Now we cancel. 15 4s are, say 15. It cancel in which table? So 168. 2 4s are 8. 8 2s are 16. Okay, it cancel in 15 table. 1 remaining 18. It's also 1 time. 16 remaining 2. So 11.2 centimeter. So height is equal to 11.2 centimeter. Now substitute this value in the area of the parallelogram formula. Okay. So in this method, very important one. First we have to write the given one. After we have draw some lines from this C. Okay, after we have calculate the distance of this base value. Using these three sides we can find out the value of area of the triangle. Okay, after we have calculate the height using this area of the triangle. Okay, now we have found the height. Now substitute the height in this formula parallelogram. Area of the parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base value was 20. Parallelogram, the base value was 20 inch. Height we have calculate 11.2 centimeter. Okay, so multiply these values. 4 2 2s are 4, 2 2. So area of the parallelogram 224 centimeter. Now we have find out the sum of these two shapes. Then only we get the trapezium. Okay. So area of trapezium equal to area of triangle plus area of parallelogram. Okay, right. So area of this triangle we get 84 centimeter square plus area of the parallelogram 224 centimeter square. Add these two values 8 0 1. So area of the trapezium is equal to 308 centimeter square. 308 centimeter square. I hope you have understood this concept. Very important. If you have any doubt, these two problems, example 6 and 7, very important. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt. Now move to the exercise problems. Okay. .11.1. See the first problem. The length of one diagonal of the quadrilateral is 32 centimeter. If the perpendicular drawn to it from the opposite vertices are 10 centimeter and 12 centimeter respectively, and find the area of the quadrilateral. So clearly give it the diagonal and the height of the quadrilateral also given. So we have used the formula half into d into h1 into h2. Okay, and that is first one as homework. Okay, now move to the second one of the problem. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD is 32 centimeter. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex D to the diagonal AC. Okay, so now we will do the second one of the problem. The area of the quadrilateral ABCD. So area of the quadrilateral is given. Okay. So area of the is equal to 32 centimeters square. Okay. Find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex D to the diagonal AC. So AC is equal to 8 centimeter. AC is equal to, so diagonal D is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, and the length of the perpendicular from B on AC is 4 centimeter. So one of the side is given. Okay, so quadrilateral, what is the formula? Half into D diagonal, is it? Diagonal into h1 plus h2. So one side of the length is given. We have to find out the another one of the height. Okay, so height h1 is equal to 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Find the length of the perpendicular. Okay, so you have find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the vertex D. You have to find out. So yeah. Okay, right. Now write the area of the quadrilateral is equal to, what is the formula? Half into D into h1 plus h2 square unit. Okay, you know the value of the area of the quadrilateral is 332 centimeter square. The area of the quadrilateral is 32 centimeter square is equal to half into the diagonal value was 8. We know that one of the height is 4. So 4 plus h2 centimeter square. Okay, now it simplify in two table. 2 4s are it equal, so it cancelling 4 table. 4 8s are, now here centimeter is there, is it? So it will be cancelled. So 8 here, 4 plus h2 so 8 minus 4 centimeter is equal to h2. So 4 centimeter is equal to h2. So the length of the diagonal, so length of the height or perpendicular of the height of the vertex D is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. Okay, right. And next one of the problem, third one. The area of the rhombus is 960 if one diagonal is 32. So find the other diagonal. So it's very easiest one, is it? So area of rhombus is equal to 960 centimeter square. So and one diagonal D1 diagonal D1 is equal to 32 centimeter. So formula, area of the rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2 square units. So 960 centimeter squared is equal to half into 32 centimeter into D2 16. Okay. So 16 in how many times? 16 6 are 96, add 0. So 60 centimeter. So D2 is equal to, that's the diagonal. Another one of the diagonal is 60 centimeter. Okay, and fourth one, find the area of the rhombus if each of its sides measure 41 centimeter and one of the diagonal is 80 centimeter. One of the diagonal is 80 centimeter. Sides, one side and one diagonal is given. So we have used that which formula? Side of the rhombus is equal to half into square root of D1 square plus D2 square. So given, what are the details are given? Side of the rhombus is equal to 41 centimeter. Diagonal D1 is equal to 80 centimeter. 80 centimeter. Okay. So formula, side of the rhombus is equal to half into square root of D1 squared plus D2 square. So half is square root of D1 square is 80 square plus D2 square. Here the side of the rhombus is 41. Now cross multiply 82. Here the square root of 80 square 6400 plus D2 square. Squaring on the both sides. So 82 square is equal to, square root will be cancelled. So 6400 plus D2 square. So 82 square value was 6724. Come to this side, minus 6400 is equal to D2 square. So subtract this value, we get 324 is equal to D2 square. So 18 square value was, so diagonal, another one of the diagonal is 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter. Now we have find the area of the rhombus, is it? Find the area of the rhombus. So what is the formula? Area of rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2 square unit. So half into D1 value was 80 D2 value was 18. So 40. 720. Okay. 32, 2 remaining 3, 4 plus 3, 7. So 72. So added 0. So area of the rhombus is 720 centimeters square. Okay. And area of the rhombus is 250, one diagonal and find out. So fifth one is also homework. Okay. So fifth one homework. Next one, sixth. The area of the trapezium is 88 centimeter. If the distance between the two parallel lines, two parallel sides is 8 centimeter and one of the parallel lines 12 meter, find the other parallel sides. Find the other parallel sides. Okay, so one parallel side is given. Okay. So trapezium formula, half inch trapezium. What is the formula for the trapezium? Half inch diagonal, no, height, is it? Height into A plus B. Okay, square unit. Which one? Sixth problem, is it? So what are the data given? The area of the trapezium equal to 88 meters squared. 88 meter square. And if the distance between two parallel lines, so two parallel lines ko distance, appo height. Okay, ma, distance between the two parallel lines. So height h is equal to 8 meter. And then one of the parallel side. So one parallel side is given. So A is equal to 12 centimeter. 12 meter. Find the another one of the side. Find the another one of the side. So formula, area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into A plus B square unit. Okay, so half, the area of the trapezium 88 meter square. Meter square. So half into height value is 8. Okay, and A value was 12. B we didn't know. Okay, meters. It cancel in 4 table. 2 table, it's 4 times. Okay, and here 4 cancel in 4 table. 4 2s are 88. Here meter and big answer. Okay, right. Here 22. Here in the side 12 plus B is only there. Okay, so minus 12 is equal to B. So B is equal to 10 meter. So the other parallel side is 10 meter. Okay, seventh one, the example 6th type. Okay, that is also homework. Now move to the 8th one. The parallel sides of the trapezium are in the ratio is given. Okay, sides, parallel sides given in the ratio. So we have considered A and B respectively. And then the area is 384 meter square. If the distance between the two parallel sides is 12 meter. So distance, the height is 12 meter. Then find the each parallel sides. Find the each parallel sides. So ratio is given the parallel sides உடைய ratio கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. You have to find out the value. Eighth problem. The parallel sides of the trapezium are in the ratio. Let three x 5x be the parallel sides. Parallel sides of trapezium. Okay, right. And next the area is given. So area of trapezium is equal to 384 meter square. If the distance between the two parallel sides is 12 meter, so height is given. Okay, the height is given. Okay, height h is equal to 12 meter. Right. Find the each parallel sides. Find the each parallel sides. So area of the trapezium is equal to half into h into a plus b is square unit. Okay, so area of the trapezium already given 384 meter squared is equal to half into h value is 12 and a we have considered b, the parallel sides ratio is given. Okay, so 3x, b value was 5x. Okay, so meter square. 6. Okay, it cancelling here. 6 6 are 36, remaining 2. 6 4s are 24. In the sign 64. Here 8x. It cancelling. 8 table 8 8s are. So x equal to 8 meter. X equal to 8 meter. Okay. Now find out the each parallel side. Okay, so a equal to 3x is equal to 3 into 8, 24 meter, and next one b is equal to 5x equal to 5 into 8, correct. So 40. Thus the parallel sides are the trapezium is 24 meter and 40 meter. That's it. Okay, I'll write the homework on that side. Remaining problems of homework. Okay, so homework exercise 11.1 1 5 7 9. Okay, I hope you all understood today examples and exercise problems. If you have any doubt, you can ask a doubt in our online class, and everyone should complete the homework and send it to the homework group. Okay, every Saturday I will check your class at note, So if who are not complete the class work, those people try to complete earlier. Okay, thank you students.